Mawlynnong is a village located in northeast India's Meghalaya state and near Bangladesh border. By air, the nearest airport is in Shillong, Meghalaya capital, which is 98 km from the village. By rail, Guwahati is the nearest railway station to Mawlynnong, 172 km away from the village. Cleanliness is the way of life in Mawlynnong village. People not only clean their houses, they step out to sweep the roads, and planting trees is a part of their lifestyle too. People have installed bamboo dustbins outside their house to collect the waste and use it as manure later. The villagers are highly conscious about the cleanliness of their place and the surroundings. Not even a single piece of trash can be found on the roads. The widespread greenery adds to the charm of this impeccably clean village. It looks even greener and prettier during the monsoons. Smoking, littering, as well as the use of plastic are strictly banned in this village, and this applies to residents as well as tourists. Mawlynnong village is also described as God's own garden. Almost every house in the village has a garden dotted with flowering plants. The Khashi tribe is the biggest attraction of this small village, which has left behind the patriarchal rule of the society. In here, the children of the family get their mother's surname, and the wealth is passed down from the mother to their daughters. Mawlynnong, with all these features, proves that women empowerment is completely possible if people are convinced enough. Besides being the cleanest village in Asia, Mawlynnong has also 100% literacy rate. Here almost everyone can speak English fluently. Extending warm hospitality to their guests also happens to be one of the most well-known qualities of the natives of Mawlynnong. When you are in Mawlynnong, there are many nearby tourist places to explore. Let's explore few of them. Balancing Rock. Merely a kilometer away from the village is the Balancing Rock of Mawlynnong. A large boulder resting on a much smaller stone without losing its balance is what surprises the visitors. Locals say that the two boulders have remained in this position since ages. Even earthquakes or storms have not been able to move these stones from their place. Dauki River, India-Bangladesh border. The Dauki River is known for its crystal clear and greenish water flowing through the rocks and forest, separating India from Bangladesh on the border. Both sides of the river are surrounded by beautiful hills and full of natural beauty. Mawlynnong Waterfall. On your way to Dauki from Mawlynnong village through the jungle, Mawlynnong Waterfall is an unexplored, untouched place. The water flows to the river dividing India and Bangladesh. Mouse Mai Cave. Different from typical sightseeing spots, Mouse Mai Cave is very narrow with many uneven stones in the path. With water galore and dropping from the top, the journey through uneven path is adventurous. Leaving Root Bridge. At the entry point of Mawlynnong, the road splits into two, one leading to the village and another to the Leaving Root Bridge. The bridge is a marvel of nature and human effort. It has been constructed using the aerial roots of rubber trees. Over a period, the roots are grown in a direction and the strong roots are tangled with each other to produce a robust structure. The bridge can accommodate 50 to 70 people at a time. This natural wonder has been declared as an UNESCO World Heritage Site as well. Treetop Viewpoint. One of the most popular attractions of Mawlynnong village is the sky view, which is the vantage point. This site has a viewing tower which is 85 feet high and completely made with bamboo. The landscape of Bangladesh is visible from atop the tower, as this village is situated on the Indo-Bangladesh border. That's it from my side. I hope you liked it. Our world is amazing and I will continue to explore and share with you. Thank you.